Let's get your comments handled. And for that, we need to register. Click on the register. Here you need to enter your name, email, and password. Click agree and click register. To finish your registration, you need to verify your email. Just open your inbox and click on the message and on the link in the message. And after verifying your email address, you will be taken to that page. And here you need to add your YouTube channel. Our platform has functionality only for comments management. We do not have any other functionality for videos or any other content. So you can read it here and click connect your YouTube channel. On that screen, you need to select your YouTube account and confirm it on that screen by clicking continue. That's it. Your channel is added and you're on the Reply dashboard. Our system just started to gathering information about your channel, so refresh the page or wait a few minutes and all the numbers and data will show up.